Friday, the Lamb and the Cross. 1 Corinthians 5:7. Clean out the old leaven so that you may be a new batch, just as you are still unleavened. For Christ, our Passover Lamb, has been sacrificed. Jesus is our Passover Lamb, whose blood was shed that the judgment of God might pass over us. Now we can live in the purity that Passover speaks of. Tetelestai, it is finished, was the cry of a winner. John 19:30. Jesus had finished the eternal purpose of the cross. It stands today as finished work, the foundation of all Christian peace and faith, paying in full the debt we righteously owe to God and making peace between God and men. Tetelestai, your struggles, pain, sickness, sins, loneliness, worries, fears, unselfishness, your corruption, your fraud, name it. As you surrender all to the Lord, cry out, it is finished, it is written. Yes, amen.